All right, people, what's up, everyone? And welcome to another reaction to another episode of Yolo Crystal Fantasy, which I cannot believe this is real. It's real. It's real. I've been looking at this picture for the last, 5 minutes setting this up. If you're on YouTube, you can't see what I'm looking at. Click on a link in the description and then go and watch it on a different site because, of course, I can't put the show footage on YouTube. A lot of Turner stuff I can't really do much with because I get a lot of crap from them. So yeah, even edited reactions for something that's barely 10 minutes long, I can't really do. I just can't. But yeah, this is this is, I can't believe this is a show. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, episode 2, the Dusty Truck and Donut Muster. I forgot the name, say the name of the last episode. But I can't believe this show. I can't believe it got made into a show. I love it. Oh, I love it. Anyway, let's get to it. Hey. Oh, it's Sarah this time. Yeah, I know. Oh. It's so big. It's fine. The son is indifferent about it. I don't know what's going on. We're 2 minutes in. Are we gonna get a Bushworld Adventures cameo? Oh, yeah, I should do it. All right. Everybody looks like a monster. No, no. I said, fuck that. Oh no! Again, like she learned a lesson at the end. Well, not really. Shyman Bushroll, he said. Another back catch. This is the same plot as the last one. That's more of the YOLO I expect. It's like a Hobbit style song. Oh. Thomas. Hey, Thomas. You walk away from the microphone. Yeah, think about it. I was invested. I can't tell what the fuck she's saying. What? Why is the animation so good at times? Oh shit! What she do? Well, I mean, I guess she's done a lot. Crimes against humanity. That was good. Oh no, not Rachel. All right. Why is the animation so good sometimes? I'm just punching the Trent tent. Oh, don't show. Ah! Okay. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, his arm. It is me, Trent. Oh, too late. Oh well. What? What even? That's what the series should be called. Oh, all right, they're done. Oh. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you for the wrap up there. Everything's good. Oh my god. No, no, no. I don't need any more. All right. I think 2 episodes in a row is a little too much. Okay, you can stop now. Yeah, 2 episodes might be a little bit too much in a row. Because now my brain hurts. All right, well, there you go. That's episode 2 of YOLO Crystal Fantasy. The humor is again, it's 11 minutes long. It's fast. It's crazy. There's always something going on, so it goes by fast. The humor isn't as funny as I would say Bush World Adventures or the other YOLO things. But it still works. It's not as R-rated too, I guess. When there's cursing, it's bleeped out, and there's not as much not vulgarity, like vulgar things happening, and just fucking insane shit. Again, there's no scene of Rachel telling somebody to get in my asshole, and he jumps in and he starts fucking the turd in Rachel's asshole. That's just it's not quite what's happening here. It's still crazy though, and I you could tell that Cusack and everybody else is just like coming up with random shit on the fly. They probably animate the episode without much of an idea of where it's gonna go. I bet most of it's like while they're animating it, because I'm sure Cusack also is an animator, I'm assuming. I don't know too much about him besides YOLO and Bush World Adventures. I'm assuming they probably don't have much of a script. They just do weird shit and say weird shit, and yeah, and then they animate it, and then they get people to voice it, or you know, animate it as in like do like test animation, then get people to voice it. Whatever. Why am I explaining this? Anyway, especially since I never worked on it. Why am I explaining that at all? Anyway, there you go. That's that. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Fuck.